Back everyone for another deep dive. Today we're taking a closer look at YouTube earnings.
Oh, yeah.
Specifically, we're going beyond just like the basic, how much does YouTube pay question.
Yeah.
We're going to look at a lot of different factors that can influence how much creators actually make.
Absolutely.
So to kick things off, we're going to start with this question that seems to pop up all the time.
Yeah.
Like, how much does YouTube pay per 1,000 views?
Oh, I've heard that one before.
It seems pretty straightforward, but it turns out the answer isn't quite that simple, right?
You get it. There's no like set amount. It's not just about those views.
Okay, so then what else comes into play here? What are some of the things that can make a big difference in earnings?
Well, think about it this way. You could have two channels each with 1 million views, right? But their earnings could be wildly different. So let's say you've got a gaming channel. They hit 1 million views and they make, I don't know, maybe around $2,000 from ads. But then you've got a beauty channel. Same view, count million views. But they're pulling in like way more, maybe closer to $10,000.
Wow.
And that's because they're using other methods like affiliate links.
Ah.
So it's not just about the views themselves.
So it sounds like views are just like one piece of a much bigger puzzle, huh?
Definitely.
So can you break it down for us a bit?
Sure.
Like, how do these other things like affiliate links actually work to bring in that extra income?
It's all about how creators use their content to make money, right?
Mm-hmm.
So think of it like a toolbox.
Okay.
You've got the main video content that's like the hammer.
Right.
And then you've got all these other tools they can use. You've got ads, sponsorships, maybe they're selling merchandise, or they have fan memberships.
Oh, okay.
Even things like courses and digital products.
So it's like they're building a whole business around their channel.
Exactly. A whole ecosystem.
Interesting.
And some of these tools, some are more powerful than others. Like you mentioned, those affiliate links before those can be really, really effective.
Yeah.
Especially in areas like beauty, fashion, tech, where people are already thinking about buying stuff.
Right.
So imagine like a beauty guru is reviewing a new lipstick, right?
Mm-hmm.
They drop an affiliate link in the description.
Okay.
Someone watches the video, loves the lipstick, clicks the link, buys it, and boom, the creator gets a little cut.
I see.
So that's how a channel like that can make way more than, say, a gaming channel, even if they have the same views.
Ah, that makes a lot of sense.
And the same goes for sponsorships, too.
Okay.
Let's say you've got a finance channel, super engaged audience. A financial services company might see that and be like, hey, these are exactly the people we want to reach.
Mm-hmm.
So they offer a sponsorship, and that can be worth a lot more than just regular ad revenue.
This is making me think about all my favorite YouTubers in a whole new way.
Right.
Like there's a whole other side to
it's like
it.
a hidden economy.
So then for someone just starting out, someone who's thinking about creating a channel, what should they be thinking about?
The most important thing is knowing your audience and your niche, right?
Right.
Like, are they the type who would buy your merch or become members? Are there products that you could recommend with affiliate links that would actually make sense for your content?
So it's about strategy.
Yeah, once you've got a feel for that, you can start building a plan that goes beyond just hoping for those ad dollars.
Okay, so I think the big takeaway here is that views are definitely important, but they're not the whole story. It's all about finding the right monetization tools for your audience.
Exactly.
And building that sustainable income through different avenues.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Well, this has been a fascinating deep dive. I really appreciate you walking us through all this.
My pleasure.
Hopefully everyone listening has a better understanding of how this whole YouTube creator economy works.
Yeah, it's complex, but it's super interesting.
For anyone who wants to learn even more, I definitely recommend checking out some resources on YouTube's partner program and their advertising models.
Yeah, good stuff.
There's always more to learn out there.
And who knows, maybe you'll be the next big YouTube star.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone.